To enhance your gaming experience in Baldur's Gate 3, adjusting the graphics settings can significantly improve performance and visual quality. Follow these steps to enable and customize the graphics settings. Step 1. Launch the game. Open Baldur's Gate 3 on your computer. Wait for the game to load to the main menu. Step 2. Access the settings menu. From the main menu, look for the Options or Settings button and click on it. This will take you to the configuration settings for the game. Step 3. Navigate to Graphics Settings. In the Options menu, find and select the Graphics tab. This section contains all the settings related to visual performance and quality. Step 4. Adjust graphics options. Review the available graphics settings such as resolution, texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. Use the sliders or drop-down menus to adjust these settings according to your preference and system capabilities. Step 5. Save changes and restart. After making your desired adjustments, look for a Save or Apply button to confirm the changes. It may be necessary to restart the game for the new settings to take effect fully. By following these steps, you can successfully enable and customize the graphics settings in Baldur's Gate 3 for an optimal gaming experience. Enjoy your adventure!